Kubor nakaslem jong Liengsuiñ Hima.
Menteri Badaikmi ia katana transport ke Jylla uba Sniawbhalang dhar ulaong bak Sorkar Jylla kadangwat Jaka kababiang bat paka na kabenta bantai kat Liengsuiñ Thymmai hapo ke Jylla. Kenang baki Liengsuiñ ki bahe kinsuk hakapor bahiar bat hakapor masdang banher. Ulaong ru ban penhiar ki Liengsuiñ ki bahe don kam ya ke Jaka kabadon ya ke jinghe da kumba ar kilometer la 100 kilometer. Ulayuthu Panakaliang jongki officer ketenat kaladep ban lek katua ketni ki Jaka Hais Kas Hills district kentup ya kathan mau pedang bari boy district barla dalap bakilong ki babiang lut na dong sedong nakaliang jok Sorkar kan sa pentip pat syak Sorkar mi na benda benyo ya kejing menjur ulaong ba kumba kalong menta las ngautu ba enam la ban penhe syu ya kakat Liengsuiñ ha umroi namar kejing lut ru kan long kabahe ba la ban poi palat nyo hajar klur tengka Dai halor kani bana kaliang jok Sorkar kami kalabetha ba amdai banle karki hanrei banwat kilat kelenti sawai ladalong kabala laban rap uni menteri.
Actually, everything's in place already, and because of this situation, everything become irregular. Like Delhi, Shillong, it should be Monday and Friday, and sometimes it's twice a week, sometimes only once a week. So I think maybe all these things will have to have a review after March. Even recently, this last week I had discussed with this company and CM also. Maybe after March we may have a review again because how the situation is. That is the reason. Everywhere is now become irregular because you never know. Sometimes it's said because the protocol of this COVID thing is different from state to state.
So passenger flow is not there much.
It seems maybe I cannot say whether passengers flow or not because the airline people know properly. Maybe that is the reason, or maybe they themselves they are not too much rushed because of the situation. So when we have a review, they will be able to say what is actually happening on this. But when the things normal, it will be boom. I'm telling you, we will surely it will continue again. Normally.
Indigo flight going
Indigo from Kolkata. For the last few, not spices. Indigo.
February 1st it was supposed to start.
That's all Delhi one.
No, this Kolkata regular.
Regularly, sometimes it starts, sometimes not. And when we discussed with them, they said no, because of the situation it's not. Sometimes Meghalaya is relaxed, Kolkata is not. Sometimes Kolkata is. That is the problem to decide all these things, all this matter. So the best time for this two flight Kolkata, Shillong and from Delhi, then we'll be having it after March, so we'll be able to properly. So when everything, obviously they'll continue, no doubt on this.
And what is the status of a new airport? Because Mumbai you cannot expand.
As of now, no. We are trying to dialogue with the central government. So still today there is no signal for new airport. For new airport is a big thing, not a small thing. So we met the civil, we said 2-3 times. So we request them. So I think this green signal is awaited.
Because that there is a limit for Mumbai airport.
Yeah, there's a limit for a small flight only. So we'll see. We'll see.
As per the one technical expert report, it indicates that the amount to be spent for Umrah airport will touch more than 7,000.
That is the reason, no. That is the reason and central government tell us. Central government tell us, please go slow. The amount is too high. That is the reason. That is one of the reason. Suppose they said if you go with the whole airport, it may cost you this much. So it's not this much money. It's not thing. So that's why they told us go slow. We'll see if there is a new option. We can go for the new one. If there is thing, that is the reason we are waiting for that.
No, why not? I mean, is there any plan on your part or on the state government that instead of spending 7,000 crores, why don't we go for a new airport?
That's why my officer has went to see so many places from transport department. They used to see for this Moprang area and few areas. So they did it now. It's on the job now. Because you see, when we got a good land and we'll send the survey team whether it's feasible or not. If it is okay, then we will approach the central government. Yes, we have got a land which is feasible for the airport. We have to do. And they went 3-4 places, so it seems not yet up to the mark. So they are keeping searching land, new airport.
Yeah, because we can make it 2-3 airports because 7,000 crore. You can make it 2-3 airports.
2-3 airport, obviously. And it's abnormal, no?
No.
Actually, I think the best maybe 2 kilometer by 4 kilometer.
2 by 4.
That is the best place. Because for the big aircraft, the runway should be 2.45 kilometer. 2.4 for the runway. Just take it loosely, 4 kilometer. And
2 into 4.
roughly. I mean, that is the best side. But if you get more, that is well and good. But if you 2 by 4 be okay. The runway itself, it should be 2.4 minimum for the big one. Like Umrah is 1800.
So what about budget?
Now budget is now under discussion. So because of this corona thing, it gets standstill. So now we have talked with the airport authority even this. So the talk is still on. So we had acquired a new additional land. So at least when everything's okay, when everything's normal, we can start. Just how we start in Shillong.
The new land is acquired.
Not yet, but yet to acquire the same. That's a small one.
Ribhai kum rai ma trai ni chika kiba.
No, they are seeing. They went for sweet. For which is we cannot say which is the place. No?
Mau Padang means this side of
Bypass area. Bypass area. Maybe Ripoy, or maybe near Umrah only. To the top of the top. That's it. Somewhere around there only. But as of today, no good location is found.
Is Sniawbhalang feasible for report?
That how I'll tell how you tell.
Upper
It's
Shillong?
the engineer, technical person who knows that is feasible.
Upper Shillong?
No, must be a person should be okay with the body. Such a big hand.